What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there on election day? Happy terrific Tuesday. I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right. We're back. Just want to go over this program again to let you guys know this is another great opportunity you should definitely check out. You can go to the link in the description, www.beabosslady.info, and check it out. Another digital marketing program in which you can earn instant commissions. So just going to go over it just a little bit. CMP, Content Marketing Pros. All right. Here's what you get. There's 4 options here, 4 different programs in which you can get started. The designer pack, all right, is only $100. You're going to earn $40 instant commissions. And you may say, why am I going to earn 40? Because this is not 100% profit, okay? Because you have the 100% check match on all your personal referrals. You'll find that most of the 100% profit programs, it's 100% because you keep all the profit, right? So once you sign someone up, it's one and done. You don't get paid on those members any longer, right? This is direct sales member to member, okay? However, with this one, it comes with a twist. It's digital marketing with a twist, because when you sign someone up, you get paid instant commissions, but also when they get paid, you get paid as well. That's where the 100% check match come in, okay? So with this program, you're able to leverage other people's efforts from all the people you sign up, all right? So that's powerful, because these payments can come in at any point in time. It's like cloning yourself. It's not just you doing the business. Now everybody that you signed up, they're promoting their business as well, but when they get paid, you get paid. All right? So that allows you to have leverage with the direct sales instant pay commissions. All right? So you can get started for as low as $100 with the designer pack. The second pack is the creator pack. This one is only $250. You earn $100 every time someone purchases the creator pack from you. And of course, the 100% match. So whenever your team, member, business partner earns $100, you earn $100. Okay? Cha-ching. Next product, the influencer pack, is $500. You earn $200 commissions on this one. Every time you refer someone, you get $200. Every time one of your teammates refer someone for the influencer pack, you also make $200. Okay? Instant pay. All right? And then the pro pack is the 4th program. If you get this one, you're all in. You get all 4 of the programs. Okay? This one's $1,000. You earn $400 every time someone purchases the Pro Pack from you. You also will earn $400 every time one of your teammates sell the Pro Pack. Okay? So again, every time someone promotes any one of the programs and make a sale, you make a sale too. You get paid as well. This is member to member. So you're going to be paid directly from the person that signed up with you. There's no middleman. The company has nothing to do with your payments. You're a business owner. So you decide how you want to get paid, whether it's Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, debit cards, whatever your desire is. You set that up in your back office. It's really simple. Click a button, put your information in there, hit save, boom, you're done. And folks, when they hit that buy button, they're going to pay you the way you specified, all right? Instantly. No delay. All right, there's no monthly fees with this program. Okay, this is not network marketing or MLM. It's direct sales, member to member. Okay, which is awesome. So you don't have to worry about down lines, up lines, pass ups, one ups, any of that stuff. You pay instantly and directly. Okay, you also get these bonuses. They're included. Doesn't matter which program you purchase, these bonuses are included. Okay, now they provided also on this website, which is what you're going to get, the same website, a comparison, so you can take a look at all the plans, all the programs, and you decide what works for you. It shows you what's included on the left hand side, what's included in each program. All right, get in where you fit in is what I like to say. You can always upgrade at a later time, but just get started, guys. Okay, that's the thing. Procrastination is not going to get you anywhere. You got to get started. You can get this set up instantly. Okay, there's no delay on your setup. As soon as you pay, you're going to get access to the products that you purchased, whichever one of these you purchased. All right, remember, whatever program you purchase, you get the lower level. Okay, so if you come in, you get the creator for $250, you automatically get the 100. If you purchase the 500, you get the 250 and the 100. If you purchase the 1000, you get them all. Okay, that means you got 4 income levels that you can make: 100, 250, 500, or 1000. Okay, awesome program. I like what they've got here. This is something a little different than what we normally have gotten in, because this shows you how to create content. Okay, it's a different digital marketing program. So it's time to get started. Activate your 4 income streams. Earn $40, $100, $200, or $400 commissions. 100% check match on all personal referrals. Direct sales at the same level you are or lower. All right, so check this out right here. Listen up. See if we can get this to play. Is this on? All right, let's go.
The CMP compensation plan is so amazing because you can earn $40, $100, $200, and even $400 in commissions paid instantly.
You see, you're eligible to earn commissions on whatever level you own, plus the levels below you.
For example, as a Pro Pack member, you qualify on all commission levels, so whenever you enroll a new Pro member, you'll earn a $400 instant commission.
And anytime your new member refers a Pro Pack member themselves, you'll also earn a $400 instant commission because of the 100% check match.
So whatever your personal referrals earn in direct referral commissions, you also earn the same amount in major passive income.
Just ask yourself, how many people do you want to refer to CMP? Because those direct and passive commissions can stack up real fast. Don't wait. Get started today. You'll be so glad that you did.
All right, guys. So there you have it. Real quick, right to the point. CMP plan highlights. Instant referral commissions. You're going to earn instant commissions, $40, $100, $200, and $400 commissions on every direct referral. You must own the product to receive that payment, and passive commissions from any level. Okay, so in order to get paid on that product, you have to purchase that product. All right, you also get 100% check match, receive 100% check match on all personal referrals. Direct commissions, doubling your income potential. Okay, you got to put the work in. This is not a passive program, by the way. You got to promote it. We show you how to do it. All that information is in the training. The Pro Pack benefits, that's the $1,000 package. As a Pro member, you qualify for commissions on all levels, maximize your earning opportunities. Passive income opportunity. Passive comes in because you're earning through the efforts of your referrals. Everybody that you sign up, when they get paid, you get paid. That's the passive component of the program, okay, which is amazing. And you get scalable earnings as you grow your network and refer more members. Your earnings will scale Okay, that's just a part of how it will go. Because remember, everybody you sign up, you're going to get paid when they get paid. Okay, so the more people you sign up, the more passive opportunities that you could have, right? So it's not just you working by yourself, signing everybody up over and over and over and over. Okay, you're getting paid when they make money, you make money. All right, so it's time for you to decide. You've come this far. You decide, again, get in where you fit in. We'll sum it up with the opportunity to get paid daily because it's instant commissions. Learn from the experts that know how to get results online. Get added to the CMP rotator. The company has their own rotator. They're going to add you in. That's going to get traffic to your capture page. They have a converting done for you system. The marketing system is already included. Marketing videos that do all the explaining for you. The ability to add your own videos to your page as well if you want to do that. Professional layout that walks your prospects through the opportunity. Eye-popping colors that command attention. High converting lead capture page. Social media profiles. And they have the done for you pre-made ads as well, guys. Okay, so it's a lot of great stuff in the CMP program. So again, get in where you fit in is what I like to say. I don't tell people where to start, but take a look at this. This is another great opportunity. Again, I like it because it's a little different. It's digital, right? But the products is totally different than what we're accustomed to. All right, so go here, check it out. Link in the description. It's only 3 steps to get started. You can go to www.beabosslady.info and get started today. If you have any questions, my info is in the description. Reach out. I will also be adding you to a rotator through Viral Traffic Co-op. All right, November has already started, so you'll be added to the December Co-op. All right, guys. So go to the link in the description. Check it out. Go through the funnel. See how it all works. See what your prospects will see as well. Put your info in. Watch the video. Jot down your questions. If you have any, reach out to me. All right. Look forward to you joining the team. Make sure before you get out of here, you smash that subscribe button for me. Like the video, please, and thank you. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a video. And until next time, be safe out there. Don't forget to go out and place your vote today. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.